Planning to attend Mahakal Basmarati but confused how to book? In the next 3 minutes, I will walk you through how to book online, how the offline process works, what's really going on with VIP passes, where you'll be seated inside, and one important rule specifically for women. Let's begin. If you're trying to book online, go to srimahakaleshwar.com and click on the Basmarati request form. Booking request opens 3 months in advance. But remember, this is only a request. If your request is approved, you will receive an SMS with a payment link and you just have 15 minutes to complete the 200 rupees payment per person. Also on 20th of every month at 8 am, leftover slots for the next month are released and they get booked out under 2 minutes. So log in early. Now if you're doing offline booking, be ready for a long, physically demanding process. You have to go to Triveni Gate one day before the Aarti. Devotees start queuing up by 2 am itself. By around 7 am, temple staff start marking Aadhaar Xerox copies and issuing only 50 tokens. Each token is valid for up to 5 people. Around 12:30 pm, you will be called again for video verification and form collection. By 4:30 pm, you must return with all group members and submit the completed form. Then on the night of the Aarti, you will have to come back and join the queue again. This time by 12 am. There is no cost associated with this offline booking process. Now let's talk about a route that many people take. Booking through agents, pandit or shopkeepers near the temple. They often arrange entry using local contacts or protocol quota and usually charge between 1500 rupees to 6000 rupees per person. Most of these entries happen through influence, not the official route. Inside the temple, the seating is divided into 3 zones for the Basmarati. Nandi Mantapam is right in front of the deity and is only for the top level protocol guests. Ganesh Mandapam is on the ground floor with step style seating used for people with VIP letters. Kartikeya Mandapam is on the first floor and this is where most online and offline devotees are seated. If you want a better seat with a clearer view, queue early, ideally by 10:30 pm the previous night. The Basmarati itself usually starts around 4 am and goes on for 45 minutes. One final thing for women, you are absolutely allowed inside for Basmarati, but during the actual Bhasma offering, which lasts only for about 5 to 7 minutes, you will be asked to cover your head and lower your veil. You can watch the rest of the Aarti before and after that. If this guide helped you, please share it with someone who's planning to attend the Mahakal Basmarati and follow the Temple Girl for more real, honest and spiritually grounded temple guides, all based on what devotees and I have actually experienced. Hope you have a wonderful Basmarati darshan in Mahakal. Jai Mahakal.